Planet Hollywood Cancun. We're here in the kids splash park area. So this side over here is sort of a mock pirate ship area. This is for smaller kids. I'd say kids up until about the age of 8 or 9 would enjoy this. And then on the other side, they've turned it into a Jurassic Park sort of park. So it's really interesting. The kids get 2 different themes. There's lots of different activities in here. I'll just get a little bit closer so that you can see. And there is quite a few areas with shade, which is great for the kids and great for the parents. So check this out. So this is the splash park area, Planet Hollywood Cancun. We are Hola Weddings. If you have any questions, let us know.